To secure full marks on your data warehouse exam, you must know how to draw a fact constellation schema, also known as a galaxy schema. To follow along and lock this blueprint into memory, grab a blank sheet of paper and 2 different colored pens. The core architectural difference is simple. A standard star schema has only one center. A galaxy schema links multiple star schemas together into a single unified network. By mastering this multi-fact architecture, you prove to examiners that you understand the strict structural boundaries between fact and dimension tables. Let's start our diagram. On the center left side, draw a red box and label it fact_sales. This fact table sits at the center, containing quantitative metrics like units sold and total revenue. Leave an empty space at the top. Next, draw 3 blue boxes radiating outward around the fact table. Label them dim_product, dim_store, and dim_time. These dimension tables contain descriptive attributes like category name or fiscal quarter. Use these to filter your central numerical metrics. A critical rule for this step: these dimension attributes must remain intentionally denormalized. Keep repeating attributes grouped together inside these main boxes. Drawing this single metrics-based center, surrounded by denormalized descriptions, completes a standard star schema. This is your required baseline. Now let's build the constellation. Move to the opposite side of your page, draw a second red box, and label it fact_inventory. Adding a second fact table transforms a basic star schema into a fact constellation. Fill this new box with quantitative metrics, like units in stock and reorder level. Again, leave a blank space at the top. Notice that this second table operates on an entirely different business domain, which focuses on inventory instead of sales, yet it exists within the same enterprise warehouse ecosystem. Keep a clear visual gap between the 2 fact tables. You will need that space to accommodate the web of connections we're about to draw. By documenting these separate business processes on the same page, we're establishing the multi-fact foundation that makes the galaxy schema far more powerful for enterprise analysis than a basic star model. To wire the architecture together, draw lines from the product and time shared dimensions to both the sales and inventory fact tables. This is where students lose points. List the composite primary keys as foreign keys inside fact tables. Go to those empty top spaces. Write the labels FK product ID and FK time ID inside both boxes. Before you finish, do a quick visual check to ensure you haven't drawn a snowflake schema. This trap happens if you explicitly normalize dimension tables into secondary lookup subtables in third normal form. Do not do that here. These shared dimensions are the defining feature, the architectural magic that bridges the gap and unifies your sales and inventory data into one cohesive network. Keeping your dimension tables whole and denormalized while linking them to multiple fact tables proves to the examiner that you understand the exact boundaries of a constellation model. Look at the completed diagram. The interconnected nodes now visually resemble a web-like star constellation. Let's review the grading checklist. First, verify the presence of multiple fact tables housing your numerical metrics. Second, verify that your surrounding dimension tables hold text descriptions and that they share connections via explicitly written composite foreign keys. By mapping any specific exam scenario onto this exact color-coded structural blueprint, you will deliver a flawless fact constellation diagram.